So, quick follow-up video on how I'm getting on with this game. Managed to get the ship flying around and also firing shots. As you see, you can rotate all the way around and fire a shot. Great. But I wanted more than one shot. And it proved quite tricky to do, so this is where I am with that. I come up here, back on. As I've got it working, but it just seems to slow everything down. You see, I've got 3 on screen here, and each tracking their own direction, which is what I wanted to do. Took a little bit of working out to get it to do that, but yeah, that bit's working. The trouble is, it just slows down. So as the bullets go off screen, you'll see things speed up again. I think the problem is to do with these loops that I've got to cycle through the shots. I got rid of one of them by making a procedure that was called only if it was needed. But it's still running slow. This one here checks if there's an active bullet, and then we'll go to the procedure if it is, before I had it going every single time. So I need to have a look at that, see if there's anything I can do to speed that up. If anybody knows of any way of making that run better, let me know. I thought I would be able to move the sprites on their own, let them, handle their own motion as a sprite rather than doing it programmatically, but doesn't seem to be the case. So that's where I am with it. Needs a bit more work, I think. I'd really like to get this speeding up. So if anybody knows a way of doing that, let me know. Obviously, I'm no good at machine code. I've never done it. But yeah, anybody got any way of helping me out with that? Let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to find out. Anyway, thanks for taking a look at the progress, and next time I'll give you an update, and hopefully it'll be running a little bit faster than this. Anyway, thanks for looking.